it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. We're gonna be unboxing our July 2020 regular Ipsy box, the Glam bag subscription. Now, this is the $25 a month one, and I pay for this myself out of my own pocket. And typically there are 5 items or so, full-size items in this box. And it's kind of neat. I haven't opened her up yet, but I did cut the tape like I always do. I love getting subscription boxes. I think it's so much fun. It's a great way to try products that you didn't know you wanted to try, I guess is the best way to put it. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so again, the theme this month is Take a Break. And this bag, the Glam Bag Plus, has full-size over $120 worth of beauty in here. Now, this doesn't tell me the cost of everything that's in here, but typically it's pretty expensive. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Playa New Day 3-in-1 Refresh with neroli water and sugarcane extract. Let's see this. Oh, there's 2 layers of caps on that, just so you know. Let's check out. Smells good. Kind of smells like baby powder. But I do like the mister. Kind of has a clovey smell too. I'm gonna have to use that a little bit more to see if that's something I like, or this might give me a headache. Not very sure. But if it starts giving me a headache, I'll give it to Nadia because nothing ever affects her, like ever. Next up, we have the salmon. You can tell I'm Southern. Salmon Vigine, however you say that, Hydroactive Eye Cream. Always love getting eye creams in. I'm not gonna open that up because I don't want it to expire before I have a chance to use it, because I do have 2 eye creams open at this point. Next up is the Tarte C Surfer Curl Mascara. Always good to get another mascara. Love getting mascaras. I have so many from subscription boxes. I got a Real Her I Am Amazing 24/7 eyeliner. I wonder if this is just black. If it is, I'll probably give it to someone else because I have so many eyeliners. Yeah, it's just a black twist up pencil eyeliner, so I'll probably give that to Nadia. These are good for smoking out, but as I said, I've got several of them open and I don't need any more. And then I also got the Il Makiage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. How do you open this packaging up? That's weird. Okay, we're gonna have to break into it. This feels really nice and heavy. Looks like this. The packaging's gorgeous. Let's go ahead and, ooh. Oh yeah, I like that. It's like a olivey green gold color. So that makes me excited. And the color's jackpot. But this thing weighs so much. Like, compared to a single eyeshadow, I can tell you, because I have some Pat McGrath single eyeshadows, this probably weighs more than that. Okay, yeah, the packaging for this feels like it weighs more than even my small Viseart Dark Edits palette. And that's a single color. But I think it's the packaging, because the packaging is metal. And then last but not least, a smaller version of the makeup bag that I got for the Ultimate Glam box. So, there are some hits. This Il Makiage Jackpot Color, the Tarte by the Sea Mascara. The eyeliner's not bad, but I'll be giving that away. I have enough eyeliners. And I'm excited to try the eye cream. And I'm not sure what I think about the Playa Mist yet, but we'll see. So, let me know what you got in your Glam bag. But But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But we'll see y'all on Friday or Monday. Bye.